welcome back to my bathroom. I like that this is becoming like a ritual for me. Every time I do a filming session, which by the way, if you don't know, I only film on the weekends. Usually it's Saturday, today it's Sunday, doesn't matter. I usually prep with some sort of skincare routine, like in depth like what I'm doing right now. And then I film pretty much all day, and that's kind of how my filming schedule works. And recently I've been filming my skincare prepping with you guys, and I happen to really like it because I feel like these videos are just a little bit more relaxed and they're just easy for me to film, and you guys enjoy seeing the skincare products that I've been using. So I think I'm going to keep this up if you guys don't mind. This video I'm going to use a couple of new products that I have either received via PR or purchased myself, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So the first one I received via PR, and I already included this in a skincare video like this that I called Pink Skincare, and I'm honestly not sure if that's going to go up before or after this video. This video includes some products that the company wants me to post within a certain amount of days, so this might end up going up before that one because that one doesn't require those timelines. YouTube life. So anyways, if I've already talked about this product, then you've already heard me talk about it. If this is the first time I'm talking about it, then it's the first time. So this is the Saturday Skin, what the heck? Rub-A-Dub. I know it has like a funny name. Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. You guys, this stuff is amazing. I've already talked about it in my favorites video. I believe I included it. Yeah. I don't know. I've been filming so much lately that I'm like forgetting the names of my videos. Anyways, it's an exfoliator, and it is exactly like the Peter Thomas Roth Firm X exfoliator, such that it is a gel consistency that basically pulls all the gunk out of your pores and gently exfoliates. So when you rub it on your skin, you can feel it like balling up. And if I get in closer, you can see, look at that. And especially in areas like right here on the side of my eyes, for some reason, is where I get the most buildup. It's weird. Okay, next up is another product from Saturday Skin. This is a new one that I haven't tried yet. There you go. The lighting, it's this bathroom lighting that's like yellowy. Ugh. It's the worst lighting ever. This is their Daily Dew Hydrating Essence Mist. This is a new product concept for me. I've never used an essence mist before, but there's been a ton of videos going around of like the 10-step Korean skincare routine. And one of the products that's included in that is an essence, which I was like, what is this? So when I saw that this was available on Octoly for me to apply for, and obviously I got accepted to it, I was very excited because I could finally try out an essence. And I really love the Saturday Skin brand. I just used their product. They also have a cleanser I really want to try. And when they sent me this, they sent me a face mask as well, which I wasn't expecting. So I'm really excited. The Spotlight Brightening Mask right here. And I love how all their packaging is like this pink color. But anyways, so from my understanding, an essence mist is meant to be used after cleansing and before like toning. No, after toning, but before serums, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, the directions say use as part of skincare routine in between cleansing and essence step. But this is an essence mist. So there must be some sort of thing that's an essence but not a mist. I don't have any of that. But after cleansing. So I just exfoliated my face, so we'll go ahead and use it now. Can also be used throughout the day over makeup. That's actually really exciting because then it like brings your makeup back to life. You know how throughout the day your makeup can start to look cakey and just a little bit weird, and sometimes you just gotta spray a little bit of a mist on top of it to like bring it back to life. This says, hit refresh, concentrated extracts of kiwi and grape, quench and nourish, drenching skin in a veil of moisture. I like that. Okay. It smells good. I don't know how much you're supposed to use. I don't know when to stop. Feels really nice on the skin. I honestly have no idea how much I'm supposed to use. Oh, that is quite, like, I was expecting it to feel like water on my face, It definitely feels like something. Like, it's not greasy, it's not oily, but it feels like kind of like a very, very, very light moisturizer maybe. Yeah. I do really like that. I think I'm actually going to use a mask now, and I probably should have used the mask before the Essence Mist, but I can always use it again afterwards, right? So I was going to use the Saturday Skin Mask because I'm very intrigued by it, but I also got this mask by Maskology. This one you leave on for 20 minutes. This one okay, both of them are 20 minutes. This one is a moisturizing glow mask. This one has a brightening mask. They seem very similar. I'm gonna go with the Maskology watermelon one because I don't want to overload you guys with Saturday Skin, even though I really like that brand. Okay, so this is a watermelon moisturizing mask. It's formulated to hydrate and firm the skin. Love that. Directions: use as often as desired as a regular part of your skincare regimen. Use immediately after opening. Well, duh. Alright, I'm excited to smell this. I hope it smells good. Oh, and it's pink too. Oh my god, it smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher or like a watermelon blow pop. Oh my god, I used to love blow pops. See how it's pink? How cute is that? I'm gonna save all the juice in there to rub all over my body. This is super ooey gooey. I love when sheet masks are ooey gooey. I just feel like they do more, you know? I don't know. I could be wrong. Alright. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, this is so goopy. This is probably the goopiest mask I have ever felt. Okay. God, it smells so good. Alright. It's so goopy that it's like hard to... Oh crap. I try to like always put it on to where the nose part is folded out. And it's folded under. That's okay. Easy fix. Oh my god, it smells so good, you guys. It's so hard to explain. Actually, it smells exactly like a watermelon blow pop, so I guess it's not hard to explain. Feels really nice on the skin. Feels nice and hydrating. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of press it in. And then I'm gonna go back to the little pouch and get all of that ooey gooiness. Rub it on my neck, rub it on my arms. Alright, so this does say to leave it on for 20 minutes. Relax for 20 minutes. It's hard for me to relax, guys. Relax for 20 minutes with the mask in place. Okay, I'll be back.
While I'm waiting for this mask, I think I'm gonna actually go on their website and see about ordering some more of these because I'm impressed. They gave me a 10% off code. It is mask, MASQUE 10, and their website is maskology.com. I'll leave it down below for you guys. But I want to order more. They have a lot of products, you guys. And I know I'm talking weird, but it's because I got this mask on. I don't even know where to start. They have rubber masks. They have hyaluronic acid masks. They have hair masks. Ooh, there's the watermelon one. $3, that's it. Ooh, they have a rose mask. Okay, definitely ordering that one. Their website actually says a lot more about this mask. It says that it's hydrating, moisturizing, smoothing, restores glow, watermelon fruit extracts, sodium, blah 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 blah, some sort of sodium hydration, olive fruit oil, jojoba seed oil. There's a bunch of stuff in this.
Alright, time to peel this off. I love sheet masks, but I'm always so sad because they're one-time use product and it's like, oh, I'm wasting so much. Oh, my skin feels so nice. And it smells so good. That scent lingers, you guys. It doesn't go away. So if you don't like the smell of watermelon, you won't like this. I'm going to go in with my Essence Mist again because why not? Okay, so for serums, I thought about skipping this because masks usually have a serum kind of like embedded with them. So I'm gonna use them anyways. I've been using some new Drunk Elephant products. I have been obsessed with Drunk Elephant. I can't wait to try all of their products. I'm just kind of slowly buying things because they're quite expensive. So I already have the nighttime serum. This is the daytime serum. It's the C Firma Day Serum with 15% ascorbic acid. And then this, I think, is actually a moisturizer. It's their B Hydra Intensive Hydra Gel Moisturizer. I still haven't quite gotten oh my god. I haven't gotten the hang of this yet. I think because I'm like, okay, is this a moisturizer or do I use a moisturizer after it? I really don't know. It says mix with any Drunk Elephant serum, cream, or oil to lock it in. So I mix it I don't know. I'm gonna mix them together because that's kind of what I've been doing. I'm just not really too sure. I think it might be an unnecessary product if I'm being honest, because there doesn't seem to be any like active ingredients or anything like that. So I'm just gonna put a couple pumps of each. Ooh, dropped the cap. A couple pumps of each and rub it between my fingers and then press it into my skin. The serum, you can definitely tell, oh, it has like a skincare scent to it. You could tell there's something in there that's making it work. I honestly do not think I need a moisturizer because my skin feels so just like plump and moisturized, and it's a little bit on the sticky side, but I think it's because I'm mixing so many different products. But I'm gonna go in with a moisturizer anyways because why not, right? Peter Thomas Roth, I use this all the time. It is my go-to. It is almost gone. And that means I have to buy a new one. It's $75 though. So anytime I have to buy a new one, I kind of just like close my eyes and like push the add to cart button because it's so expensive, but it works and it smells good and it doesn't do anything weird to my skin. So it's worth it, but it's just like, ugh, $75. And then lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and use an eye cream. This is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. I've been using this for a while and I will probably still use it for a while. I know you guys can't really tell, but this jar is huge. Oh yeah, I still have like half the jar left, so I'm gonna be using this baby for quite some time. This headband always makes my hair a hot mess. Alright guys, so overall I definitely recommend this Maskology. In fact, I ordered some more because I love it that much. So definitely recommend it. I love the smell. Oh my gosh, and the way it makes my skin feel so good. Saturday Skin just continues to blow me away with their awesome products. It is a Korean brand, K-Beauty, and I find that they are just well ahead of the game, well ahead of the curve when it comes to skincare products. So I'm excited about this brand. I can't wait to try out more from this brand. They sell it at Sephora, so you better bet next time the Sephora sale rolls around, I'll be picking up probably the rest of the line just because it's such a great brand. I'm excited to try this mask they sent me as well. So definitely recommend those. Drunk Elephant, you guys already know. I'm a little bit unsure about this little blue guy here, the B Hydra Intensive Hydrating Gel. I think that might be a little bit gimmicky, but the serums, A+. A+ serums. So I'm excited to try out their moisturizers. They just came out with a new one. And I have a sample of it, but I haven't tried it yet. So definitely excited to try that out. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this kind of chit-chatty, testing out new skincare video. Let me know down below if you like skincare videos, and I will continue to film them for you, probably in my bathroom. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.